Hello friends, I will share my recipe of gluten-free bread using easily available ingredients. For 2 loaves of this bread, I have taken 6 cups of gluten-free maida, 2.5 cups of warm milk, 6 eggs at room temperature, 4.5 teaspoon dry active yeast, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 to half cup olive oil, and mixed seeds, which is optional. Lukewarm water is required for the yeast. For activating the yeast, add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 3 tablespoons of lukewarm water and leave it in a warm place. After 15 minutes, the yeast will rise and become frothy. Add this yeast solution to the gluten-free maida and mix well. After this, add the milk, sugar and the eggs. Combine all these ingredients properly. Add olive oil to moisten the mixture and the mixed seeds. Blend this dough for at least 3 minutes using a hand blender or a mixing spatula. Cover this dough with a cling film and keep in a warm place for at least 2 hours till it doubles in size. The dough has doubled in size, and after this the excess air has to be knocked down with a spatula and the mix is transferred to 2 bread tins for a second rise. The tins have been lined with baking paper. If baking paper is not available, you may spray the tins with oil and dust with flour. The tins have to be covered with cling film and again kept in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours. Now that it has risen, you can remove the cling film and place it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees C for 40 minutes. After 40 to 45 minutes, check the bread with a skewer. If the skewer inserted comes out clean, this means that the bread is ready. Take out the bread tins and let it cool. Your bread loaves are ready now. You can cut them in any shape, thick or thin slices. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Gluten Free India. Thank you for watching this video.